Is your dryer displaying a clean lint message, even though you're sure the lint tray has been cleaned? In this video, we'll give you a really quick fix to resolve this problem. We recommend regular removal of lint from your dryer, preferably after each usage. This will help improve dryer efficiency and keep your machine working at its optimal level for a prolonged period. All our JLA dryers automatically display this message after a pre-programmed amount of time is reached. This is designed as a prompt to the customer to clean the lint screen. The lint door or drawer has a switch which recognises when it is open or closed. The dryer control needs to see this switch open for a minimum of 15 seconds to reset the message. Try doing this the first time to see if the message is then cleared. If you've done this and you're still seeing the display of recycle, your lint drawer may have a fault and need reprogramming by an engineer, or the lint door switch may be faulty. If this sounds like the issue you're having, call one of our engineers today to get this fixed. Thanks for watching.